welcome! Today, I am going to teach you a very nutritious and tasty way to cook a mung bean soup with sliced pork and vegetables. In cooking mung bean soup, the most ingredients are pork and Malabar spinach. To make this recipe, we need the following ingredients: 1/4 kilo of mung beans, 8 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 4 cloves of crushed garlic, 1 sliced onion, 1 sliced ripe tomato, 1 sliced medium-sized loofah gourd, 1 sliced medium-sized ginger, 2 stalks of spring onions chopped, 1 cup of Malabar spinach, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1/2 tablespoon of ground black pepper, 1/2 tablespoon of seasoning granules or chicken powder, and 1 sliced pork chop cut into cubes. And now, we're going to start cooking the mung bean soup. To start cooking this recipe, we have to first boil the mung beans in water for about 30 minutes or until the mung beans themselves soften and crack. Once we are done boiling or softening the mung beans, set them aside. Grab another pan and put your cooking oil in it and heat it up. Now, it's time to fry the vegetables and spices. And this is how you do that. Add in the garlic and fry for a few seconds. Next, we add the onion and fry. Then, add in the pork and fry to 2 to 3 minutes. Once done frying, add the ripe tomato and ginger. Fry it all together until the aroma starts to come out. Once you have started smelling the aroma, pour this into the pot with softened mung beans and mix it well. After mix it, we just need to turn the heat to low and simmer the mung bean soup with vegetables. This time, we season with salt, pepper, and seasoning granules or chicken powder. Be sure to stir in these delicious seasonings. Then add the loofah gourd, spring onion, and Malabar spinach. And mix. Time to let this simmer for 3 to 4 minutes to maximize the flavor and make it extra tasty. You will know that the mung bean soup with pork and vegetables is cooked and ready to eat when you start smelling the great aroma and the soup broth is thick. This is now our finished mung bean soup with sliced pork and vegetables. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And if you're interested to learn more about the health benefits of eating mung beans, be sure to watch my video on that. Also, hit subscribe for more Philippine delicious recipes. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day!